Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing French toast using, wait for it, only 2 ingredients. That's right, 1, 2. All you need is some bread and some ice cream. And that's it. It's just that simple. Now, of course, you don't want frozen ice cream, you want melted ice cream. So I've zapped mine in the microwave, and here it is. Now, with all the different types of ice cream on the market, you can certainly make some groovy French toast. Since Bento Buster HQ is located here in Tokyo, I thought I'd give my French toast a more Japanese feel. So I'm using green tea ice cream from Haagen-Dazs, aka matcha ice cream. Now I'm using Japanese shokopan or milk bread because it's easily available, but feel free to use whatever type of bread you like. Just think, ice cream with some brioche or with some rustic sourdough. The choice is endless. The chore of whisking the eggs and mixing in the extra ingredients has been eliminated. All we have to do is melt the ice cream and dip our bread in it. Ice cream contains all of the ingredients that we need, plus more. It has the flavouring, so it's a no-brainer. Now the trick is to get your bread, to absorb as much ice cream as possible. I'm in a bit of a hurry, but we'll see how we go. When all of that melted ice cream has been absorbed by the bread, it's time to bust out the skillet and start cooking. And because there are no raw ingredients in this, cooking it is a cinch. The only thing that could possibly go wrong is that you burn it to a crisp. Oh, that's too hot. Gotta turn it down. Over a medium heat, melt some butter in your skillet. Next, add your slice of bread and cook it until it's golden brown on the bottom. Then flip it over and repeat the process. And don't let any of that ice cream go to waste. It's liquid gold and it costs about $3. It's Haagen-Dazs, and every drop counts. Oh, if you entered my eraser giveaway competition, please check the description box below to see if you won. Good luck, and there'll be another giveaway soon, so keep watching. Now look at that contrast. It's golden brown and nice and matcha green. Now that's a good thing. And if you're using a nice thick piece of bread like I am, make sure you toast those sides. They need to be shown love too. And when you're done, your French toast should look something like this. That's of course if you're using green tea. If you're using vanilla, it'll be a different colour. And there it is, your 2-ingredient French toast. Now wasn't that super easy? Of course you can eat it as is, and it'll taste fantastic. But since we've come this far, well, why don't we jazz it up a bit? To start off, on goes a drizzling of maple syrup. And next, how about a dollop of fresh cream? Since it's a 2-ingredient French toast, 2 dollops should do. And because green tea goes well with chocolate, well, how about some chocolate syrup? And I'll top it off with a sprinkling of crushed Oreos. Okay guys, and now there we have it, our 2-ingredient French toast with, of course, multiple toppings that are not in any way included as part of those 2 ingredients. Now does that make any sense? Well, in this crazy world, haha, I guess it does. Now just look at that, there's a lot of things going on in this one piece and it tastes really, really good. It's golden browny, it's greeny, or is that green tea or matcha-y? It's chocolatey, it's creamy, it's even got a bit of white in the middle where it didn't soak in properly, but we won't focus on that. Because hey man, the sun was going down, it was really hard to cook this, I was really hungry, I didn't want to lose the shot, so hey, give me a break. Okay guys, well, the verdict's in. This was delicious. This hack really does work. So give it a go. Your Sunday mornings will never be the same again, and guess what? Less dishes. And that's a good thing, right? Okay guys, thanks for watching. I guess I'm out of here. See you next time.